Hi guys, Paul here from Muscle Car UK again. Here's something I'm really proud of. Now we bought this car, I suppose about a year ago to be truthful, in New Mexico. Absolutely rock solid Mustang convertible. And we knew we'd get onto it sooner or later. I've sold loads of convertibles, as I expect you've seen, and they've all been of great quality, but we knew we wanted to get this one completely restored. Anyway, I had a gentleman come in who was a bit disappointed because he'd missed out on the last convertible we'd done. And I said to him, the only car I can show you is something that's in raw state. And if he's got a good imagination, then he'd be okay with it. So the situation was that he came and looked at the car, and it literally was bare metal. There was nothing, there was no seats in it, there was absolutely nothing at all in the car whatsoever. And as a result, he looked at it and said, no, I'll do it my way. Can I choose the colour? Can I choose the interior? Can I choose? I said, you can choose everything about this car for yourself. It will literally bespoke it to you. So we've pretty much done a nut and bolt restoration on this car. Obviously you can see it's a 65 Mustang. I personally think it's more like the best one in the country. It is that good. We spent a lot of time on this car getting exactly the way the customer wanted it. He chose the colour, he chose the interior, as I say. But have a look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. This dark metallic blue is just, oh, you could just dive in. It looks like a swimming pool. You just dive in. It's just gorgeous. With the new chrome on the car as well. He's obviously gone for the GT front, so we've got the fog lights at the front with the bigger horse in the corral with the wings leading to the fog lights. All brand new, everything's brand new, beautiful. The navy blue and chrome really does look fantastic. It really does look gorgeous. And as you can see for the rest of the car, we've done everything to it. New windscreens, new chrome, and he made the beautiful choice of doing the interior, which we'll get to in a minute. He wanted to pick out the same colour in these Magnums. So we've painted this, all hand painted inside to make it absolutely perfect. Even the spare's been done. Obviously white band tyres, new tyres of course, 15, so it drives really beautiful. I mean, this client wants to take it to the south of France and enjoy it. He's got a stable of cars and he's had all sorts of cars, but he told me he'd had a Mustang many years ago and he wanted to have another Mustang and enjoy what he had. So he's very excited about it, we're excited about it, but just have a look down the side. I mean, I must admit our body shop has done a superb job of this, really has. And this shows the quality that if you've got a Mustang and you want it to look something like this, we are capable in our body shop to finish a car like this. And also, of course, the mechanical side of it all gets done by our mechanics. We've got 5 Mustang mechanics with 8 ramps that are just working on Mustangs, classic Mustangs all day long. So let's have a look at the interior. Our client wanted full leather with the little Mustangs all embroidered in navy blue, and it has turned out absolutely beautifully. We've painted all the tops of the doors, new door cards, so everything looks like it's just left the showroom back in 1965. The interior, I think, is fabulous. Done a really good job. It's got an electric roof with it as well. So it's electric roof, it's got power steering, it's got the disc brakes he wanted. It's all upgraded, but his remit was he wanted it to look as genuine as possible. So we've obviously put new dash in there, but it's original to a 65. As you can see, all the clocks are beautiful, all been renewed, but as a 65 would. All this has been painted when it's been stripped out. Underneath the carpet, it's all soundproofed, new carpets. Absolutely everything you can imagine. So if you're looking for a convertible that's as good as this, you might not find one, but if you want one done and we happen to have one in stock that we are going to restore, then give us a call. If you have got one that's already here in the country and you want it to look like this, we can also do that as well. So it's not an issue. Sorry about the noise, but we've got Mustangs going around all past us all the time, so apologies about that. But we can do this for you. This is going off to our client hopefully next week. He's been looking forward to it, and I'm sure he'll enjoy in driving it as much as we've done in building it. Let's have a look underneath the bonnet, see what's going on in here. Now, we obviously, as you can imagine, when we rotisserie restore these cars, we literally do everything to it. So if you can take a look, we've obviously taken all the engine out, all been rebuilt. If you can imagine, this was completely empty. Nothing here at all. So our body shop guys literally get into it and they restore all inside the engine compartment. So you'll see this satin finish, sort of a matte satin black finish is what it would have had from new. Obviously here you can see the chassis number still nice and proud there. But you can see all the way through here. So all the way down and around, it's as it should be. New power brakes discs on the front he's had. This is a 302 engine we've put into this particular car. We've put the alloy rad in it. It's got power steering. It's just done beautifully. And again, the finish on the underside is as good as the top of the bonnet. Unfortunately, I can't put it on the ramp today because we've got dreadful weather. But if you can imagine how good this is here, underneath it, it's split clean. It's nut and bolt. It's absolutely beautiful. And we are very proud of it. It's another one of the full restorations we've done. And this car will last another 50, 100 years if he looks after it, because it is really a beautiful car. Everyone that's wandered past it, you know, or I think we've got about 15 classic Mustangs in the workshop at the moment. And everyone, all the clients that do pop in and look at their cars have seen this and they're all drooling over it, because it really is a cracking car, and I think it's going to give him some great service, and more importantly, he's going to have a lot of fun with it.